Girl, let me tell you a truth. Nobody else will. When a man acts distant, it's not about his feelings. You just haven't triggered the right psychological switches yet. And the worst part? 9% of women panic. They overanalyze, send long messages, and try to provoke a reaction. It only pushes him away further. I've been there, losing amazing men because of it. But I recently found something called his secret obsession. It shows you the psychology that triggers attraction in men. It reveals what makes him notice you and brings him back, even when it feels hopeless. It's not manipulation. It's understanding his mind and what drives his desire. Honestly, the results are incredible. Want him to reach out? Want him to chase you again? Or be the woman he never wants to lose? This is exactly what you need. Thousands of women are already using it, and the success stories are amazing. Click the link in the description or the channel bio to watch the full guide. Trust me, this can completely change your relationship. Don't waste time. Your love life deserves this.